Hey guys, today I am going to solve the past paper of Law Admission Test of May 2022 English section. So let's start. The first MCQs. If you talk bluntly, it means you are talking about honestly, because the correct statement is if you talk bluntly, it means you are talking honestly. So here C option is correct. The next time is use a splash is the sound of. You have to write the similar of capital letter which is splash. The correct option is given in the D option because the correct statement is a splash is the sound of something falling in water. So the similar word is in the D option. So D option is correct. The next time is use if something perishes, it stops. The correct word is given in the option of B because perishes means to be destroyed, existing means have life. The correct statement will be if something perishes, it stops existing, which shows that here B option is correct. The next MCQs. In the next MCQs, you have to write the opposite word of capital letter which is given here decline. When you decline an offer, you do not accept because the correct statement is when you decline an offer, you do not accept. So decline opposite word is the accept word. So B option is correct. The next MCQs. Adverse circumstances are not. In this MCQ, similar you have to select the opposite word. The opposite word is given in the D option because adverse means unfortunate, favorable means have a good luck. Both have a opposite words, which shows that the correct statement will be adverse circumstances are not favorable, which shows that here in this D option is correct. The next MCQs. In the next MCQ, you have to fill in the blanks. I can share my dash bread with you. I can share my bar bit loaf. C option is correct because the correct statement is I can share my loaf bread with you. Loaf means a shaped or molded mass of bread. So here C option is correct. The next MCQs. Take care. Want you Farah, look after you yourself. D option is correct because the correct statement is take care. Want you Farah, look after yourself. Which shows that here D option is correct. The next time is use the injured man actually hit by car, with car, through car. Or here A option is correct because the correct statement is the injured man is actually hit by the car, which shows that here A option is correct. Now I'm going to move the last MCQs of LAT past paper of English section. There is no rose dash has some thorn. Here C option is correct because the correct statement is there is no rose but has some thorn, which shows that here C option is correct. Thanks for watching this video. Also share this lecture with your classmates and friends so that they also have a benefit of it, and don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and you can also visit the playlist of this channel to learn more and more. Goodbye.